When you want to create a data plate for a device, in which the text is cut out, it could run into several problems. When the part is redrawn, it can take a long time to process, due to a huge number of edges created during the text cutout. There are methods for creating texts on a part, which can be shown on draft drawing. First, make sure you use the Text Profile tool on the Tools tab, to create the text. Type in your text. Draw a rectangle around the text. Exit the sketch. Create the drawing of the model. Select the drawing view and click Properties from the command bar. From Part List options, select List Sketches. Select the sketch and check on Show. Update the view. The text is now visible without creating a cutout feature in the part.